Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Privacy and Security so you can turn off location access at the system level. Click the Apple menu and choose System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS. Once the pane opens, select Privacy and Security, and if needed, unlock the padlock using your admin password or Touch ID so changes are permitted. This ensures you're changing global location permissions rather than app-level guesses. It's the safest first step before adjusting any individual app or service. Next, find location services within the Privacy and Security section and toggle it off if you want to stop the OS and apps from using your location. If you prefer selective control, leave it on and uncheck individual apps in the list. This gives you fine-grained privacy without breaking location-based features you need. Make sure to confirm any on-screen prompts, and then relock the settings panel so other users or processes can't change the preference without authorization. Finally, close affected apps and restart your Mac or the apps to make sure the new location setting takes effect. If you still see location activity, quit the background process named Locationed using Activity Monitor. This forces the service to restart with updated permissions. Make sure to check screen time restrictions or any device management profiles that might override your choice. Those can silently re-enable location. If nothing works, relock settings and consider a safe reboot before testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.